Hey you guys, this is Kel and I am back to do another video for you guys. Now, the wig that I'm doing for you guys today is the Outre or Outre, however you want to say it, lace front wig, Perm Yaki 18. This is a lace L parting. I have her in a color 2. This is high-tech, heat-resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees and junk. And of course, it comes in all those pretty colors. Now, this is the wig. I just cut the lace off her because ain't nobody have time to be sitting here doing all that in front of the camera. So, I cut the lace off her already. She has lace from ear to ear. She has, this is the lace parting. Can you see that? Nah, this is the lace parting. And she has the comb in the front, the comb in the back, the comb in the front, and of course the adjustable straps with the regular wig construction. Now, straight out the pack, I can tell you right now, she's gorgeous. Because she's Yaki and she's big, and the color 2 on here is like perfect match to my hair. So I'm excited. So I'll be back with the wig on, y'all. Alright you guys, I am back and I have styled her and I have put my powder in a pot and all that good stuff. Okay, fresh out the pack, I just threw her on. She is gorgeous and she is definitely Yaki. So if you are not into the Yaki textured wigs, if you're more of a silky girl, this wig ain't for you. But when I tell you, this thing is gorgeous. She says on the packet that she is 18 inches. Okay. Because I'm thinking maybe around 16 maybe, but if it say 18, we're gonna go 18. Now, this thing is really, really pretty, and this is an everyday wig. I'm sorry if I keep moving, my mirror is behind the camera. So, yes, I just love this right here. This is beautiful, honey. I really do like it. It's a very simple wig, but it is gorgeous. Now, I put my micro smooth powder in the part, and it is actually doing me okay for right now. I mean, I would still pluck it because it's still a little dense for me, but that's up to you guys. I just want to show you how it is straight out the pack and how you can style it. Now, this is just so pretty and it's simple. You really just take it out the pack and throw it on your head and comb out the curls a little bit to give it a little bit of, you know, some formation. And then you mess it up a little bit, because that's what I like to do. I don't like for my hair to be super uniform, and I like it to be a little bit big. So this right here is definitely my style, baby. This right here is gorgeous. Like gorgeous. And so I'm all for this. So this is the side with all these pretty layers. Yes, layers. Oh. Okay. This is gorgeous. It is soft. It is shedding a little bit, but I think with all synthetic units, they are going to shed and they are going to mat and tangle. They synthetic units. Okay. If your human hair wig matte and tangled, that is an issue. But if you just spent $23 on a wig like I did, or I think this wig was actually $19 or something like that. This is the cheapest wig I bought that day, and I bought it because it was on sale pretty much. So it is shedding quite a bit. I don't know what it is about Outre wigs, but Outre wigs shed a lot, and they are actually like one of my favorite wig brands, and they shed so much. But this thing right here is gorgeous, honey. I'm sorry. But this thing is pretty. Okay, let's see if we can put it in the middle for you middle girls, you middle part girls. I think it can be worn in the middle. The thing is, it is a L part, so the part is curved in the middle, which that may can be fixed. Like if you get you a rat tail comb and just, you know, and try to pluck it that way to make it a middle part, you can do that. And honestly, it is pretty in the middle because it already has the feathers, like I was saying about Rex. She could be rolling in the middle if she had both the feathers on each side, but this one actually does, and it's actually kind of pretty in the middle. Yes, middle part, come through, middle part. It's cute though. I like this. With my hair like this, it reminds me of a picture that I took. I might put it there someplace, but I did take a picture when I had a middle part sewn in, and I really did love that middle part sewn in, and that was like the only one I really liked because I'm not a middle part gal. But that's really pretty on that side there. Now, there's no line of demarcation, which is great. Like low-key, it's just blending in with them edges that need to be redone. Because girl, when you be taking wigs off and putting them on, them edges just don't stay. But yes, so let's get straight to the nitty-gritty. This is Outre Yaki wig. Yes. The Outre Perm Yaki in 18-inch. I have her in a number 2, and she is gorgeous. You just literally take her out the pack and put her on the end. I don't know what else y'all want me to say about this wig. It is pretty, it is easy, it is a low maintenance wig. This is pretty much an everyday wig to me too. This wig is pretty. So, but that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to say about this wig. It's pretty. And I will put all of the information in the description box. So check that out. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Shine.